Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2001 Harley-Davidson Night Train. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 13,959 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. This bike will also need a decibel-compliant muffler. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts and installed a new front tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the accessory triple clamps have no functional steering stops. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the bottom of the exhaust, a dent on the left front side of the fuel tank, a dent on the right side of the fuel tank, and a paint chip and dents on the top of the rear fender. This bike comes equipped with a keyless ignition and has been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, levers, LED front and rear turn signals, mirrors, a lapel seat, a K&N Stage 1 intake, axle caps, and a shift linkage. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.